Welcome to WRSL English School. We will take you through our IELTS application for you to know how to explore and navigate it in your best interest. Let's start. You will see a login option at the home page's top right corner. Click and proceed. If you are already a registered user, put in your login credentials and log in. Few things you need to keep in mind while appearing for these tests. You must follow the serial order without missing or skipping any tests. Every new test gets unclocked only after the previous test has been completed and submitted by you. Each new test unlocks for you every 24 hours. The scores of each test are generated and updated on the grade section of the application within 24 hours of submission. If you get stuck anywhere, our support team is always available. Let's explore WRSL English School application. You enter the foundation level of 28 days, preparing you for the journey ahead with various independent and integrated test types. With this, the foundation practice set also gets unlocked so you can simultaneously give various practice tests and go through well-crafted study materials for better understanding. Thereafter, you take the English proficiency reassessment to understand your improvement graph so far. Now you enter into the 30-day productive and receptive test series. And with that, the mid-level practice set also gets unlocked for you to be a step ahead in your IELTS preparation journey. After completing the 30-day program, now is the time for a dedicated IELTS mock test for you to be sure of your learnings so far. Now you enter the final phase of the program. As an IELTS general candidate, you will enter the elementary assessment set and the intermediate assessment set to appear for the comprehensive 90 tests. If you are an IELTS academic candidate, you will enter the intermediate assessment set, and the advanced assessment set to appear for the comprehensive 90 tests. Intermediate assessment, and the advanced assessment screen in flow. These 90 tests are crafted with due diligence, keeping in mind that you are ready for the actual IELTS exam after this. Your ultimate practice set also gets unlocked as soon as you enter the final test series phase to complete your IELTS preparation in every possible way. We have designed an exclusive library section for you to make your journey even more wholesome. Here, you can access the given e-books, audiobooks, videos and journals whenever you want to explore more. We hope our journey together will make you achieve your desired IELTS CLB score for you to fulfill your global dream.